So today we're going to Knott's Farm. This is the oldest, but one of the best, supposedly. So lots of big rides here as well. Have a look. Big roller coaster. All right, let's get down there. So, first ride of the day, GhostRider. Huh, no, we're having photos. GhostRider. This will be my first wooden roller coaster, I reckon.
Could be your last.
Could be. So let's hope not.
Scotty's gonna die!
Oh, nice. I look forward to that.
That little camera?
Yes. Oh, wow. Well, that's pretty cool. We're already here. No line up. Yeah, so you definitely got to go to this ride straight away, otherwise you'll be lined up for ages. So the GhostRider trains actually have different colours. I know that this one's, I'm going to say, is bronze. Maybe there's silver, maybe gold, but they are different colours. There's 4 of them. But they run 3 at a time, I believe. Definitely not busy for us now.
That's longer than that. Oh my god.
GhostRider. GhostRider goes all the way over there. It's a massive ride. Massive ride. Well, too late now. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit more full on than I thought. See, I knew that. Just did the GhostRider. Get in the park early, get on that ride straight away, and it is fast. Goes up and down, you lose your stomach a bit, but it's a hell good ride. Probably the quickest ride I've been on. Noisy too, because it's a wooden roller coaster, so it goes clickety-clack, I guess. But yes, definitely get in early, get that ride done, because they say that that can get up to 3 hours in wait time. But today we were on that ride less than 30 minutes and we're done.